Greetings, wonderful boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. I'm Cherie Hardy, and today we're going to be learning about a blend. This is when you have two consonants put together to make one sound. We're going to be talking about the BL sound. Are you ready? Well, before we get started, I would like for you to make sure you're in a very comfortable place, you're relaxed, and ready to learn about the BL sound. Brilliant scholars, in the English language, when the B and the L are together, they make a single sound. This is called a blend, and the sound that the B and L will make is blah. A blend allows you to hear both the B and the L. Well, we're going to learn about words that have this sound so that you can get some practice and you'll be able to write words with this sound as well as pronounce words with the BL sound. Let's keep learning. Before we go further, let's talk about what a blend is. A blend only has consonants, meaning that no vowels make up a blend. And a blend involves 2 or 3 letters. The blend makes one sound, but each letter can be heard. Here are some examples of words that have the BL sound, which we're going to be talking about in this educational video. We have words like blackberry, blackbird, and blizzard. Can you hear the B sound and the L sound together, the L sound? Blackberry, blackbird, and blizzard all have the BL sound. Do you remember what sound the BL makes? It makes the blah sound. Like in the following words, we have blouse and blowfish. Blouse, the woman is wearing a blouse. Blowfish. I would like for you to try to say these words after me. Blouse. Blowfish. You did a great job. Here are some words for colors with a BL sound. We have black and blue. Repeat after me. Black, blue. What's your favorite color? Now we have the words blizzard and blast. Both words start with the BL sound. Blizzard, blast. You try it. You are amazing. Now look at the pictures and see if you can say the words all by yourself. I bet you got it right. Our first word is blackbird, blackbird. And then we have blood, blood. Both words have the BL sound at the beginning. Don't forget, your learning potential is limitless. Our next set of words is blender and blind. Blender, blind. Can you say the words now by yourself? You did a great job. Let's keep going. I am going to say the 2 words on the screen, and I would like for you to repeat after me. You're getting practice saying the BL sound. Our first word is blazer. 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 The man is wearing a blazer. Try to say the word by yourself. Bravo! And now we have the word bleach. 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 Now say the word by yourself. You did a fantastic job. Do you remember what sound the BL makes? You got it right. Here are two words with that sound. We have blocks and we have blog. Blocks, blog. Let's say the BL sound one more time. Blah, blah. Great job. Now, what about these two words? We have blueberry and bluegrass. Blueberry, bluegrass. Which one do you eat? You're right, it's blueberry. Yay! On this slide, boys and girls, we have words with the BL sound, but the BL is not at the beginning. Let's say these words together. Now, the first word is rather long. I'm going to say it 3 times, and then I will pause so you will get a chance to say it. Bibliography. 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 Now you try it. You are so smart. Great job. And now our second word is Bible. 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 Go ahead and try that word. I knew you could do it. So remember, the BL can be at the beginning of a word, but it can also be in the middle of words. We have these two words together, bibliography, which is something you will find in books and reports, and Bible. Great job. These two words also have the BL in the middle. We have table, table, and fable. Table, fable. Bravo. Let's keep learning. Wonderful scholars. Now it's time to get a little practice saying words with the BL sound. So when you see the BL in a word together, remember it makes the blah sound. Well, there are 3 columns of words. Let's start with column 1. I am going to say the word and pause, and then you can say the word. And we'll keep going until we get tons of practice. Let's start. Black. Blackberry. Blame. Blubber. Blue. Blueberry. Bluefish. You did a great job. We covered column 1. Those words begin with the BL sound. Now let's look at the number 2 and let's go down that column together. I'll say the word and you repeat after me. Blackfish. Bland. Bleach. Blind. Blog. Blogger. Blunder. Bravo, you are doing such a great job. And now we have one more column of words to go, column 3. Now in column 3, what's different is that the BL sound is not at the beginning. Let's say these words together. Able, babble, cable, dabble, fable, table, and wobble. All right, boys and girls, let's get a little more practice. The next activity is going to be a comprehension activity. It's a chance for you to find out just how much you know. You can self-assess, you can stop the video, and you can do this activity as many times as you need to. Now, let's see how much you remember. Look at the screen and tell me which word has the BL sound. You got it right. Blood starts with the BL sound. Great job. So look at the pictures and tell me which one do you think has the BL sound. It is black. That's right. You see some black hands on the screen. Black starts with the letters BL. All right, beautiful boys and girls, based on the pictures, which word starts with the BL sound? You did it again. You got it right. It is blizzard. Blizzard starts with the letters BL. You are such a great student. All right, boys and girls, we have 2 more pictures. Which one do you believe starts with BL? You got it right, bluefish. The man is holding up a bluefish. Bluefish starts with BL. All right, look at the slide carefully and tell me, based on the slide, which word do you think has the BL sound? Well, if you said blind, you got it right. Blind is another word that starts with the letters BL. Don't forget, when you see the BL together, it makes the blah sound. Amazing scholars, there are 2 pictures of animals on your screen. Do you know which animal has the word that begins with the BL sound? Well, if you said blackbird, you got it right. The word blackbird begins with the BL sound. We have a few more slides to go. I just want you to know that I'm very, very proud of you. Let's keep learning. Wonderful students, we have a few more slides to go. Now, I want us to get practice reading some sentences with words that have the BL sound. First, I'll read the sentence alone. Then we will read the sentence together. Remember, when you're reading sentences or you see words and you see the letters BL, the BL will make the blah sound. Wow, let me read this sentence first. The woman is wearing a black hat and a black turtleneck. Now we're going to read the sentence together. I'll read a few words, I'll pause, you repeat after me, and then just keep doing that. The woman is wearing a black hat and a black turtleneck. You did a great job. We have a few more slides to go. I'll read the sentence first, and then we'll read it together. Blueberries are delicious and healthy. Now, let's read the sentence together. Repeat after me. Blueberries are delicious and healthy. You are amazing. Let's keep going. Okay, I'm going to read this sentence alone and then I want us to read it together. The girl is blowing bubbles. We have two words here with the BL sound. One of the words, we can see the BL is at the beginning, and another word, the BL is more in the middle. Now, let's read this sentence again together. I'll say a few words, pause, and then you read the words. The girl is blowing bubbles. Bravo, you are phenomenal. Amazing scholars, it has been an absolute pleasure to work with you today. What sound did we learn? We learned the blah sound. The consonants B and L together make one single sound in the English language. That sound is blah. Blah, like in words like bluefish or blog. Well, you did an amazing job. I'm very proud of you. And don't forget that your learning potential is limitless. Have a beautiful day. Before we go, boys and girls, don't forget to let us know what you learned today. Thank you so much for listening, watching, and learning with Avant-garde Books.